Hey guys, it's Austin. Today we're going to be talking about not just the new variant of the ASF, but also some more details, and I'm also going to show you guys how to install it, something we didn't do in our last video. So the ASF, one of our most popular products, the ambidextrous safety, is a safety you can put on your AR-15 lower. If you're unfamiliar with that product, go check out our other video we did on it. But we have a new variant of it, and that new variant is the winterized version. The reason I have it here next to a standard version is I want to show you guys the difference. So there is no difference on the support side, but the difference is that on the strong side, we've actually widened the safety a little bit. So winterized, like if you're wearing gloves and you just need to be able to get a better purchase on it. Noah got himself a very nice, very fancy new LMT lower here, and we are going to install this winterized ASF. The other thing we wanted to talk about is the fitting and the tolerance of these. All of the fitment actually comes from just the machining itself. So the fitment is to the tolerance of the 1,000th, which is an incredibly, incredibly tight tolerance. And as you can see, even without that second roll pin installed, there's no movement in it whatsoever. I think I demonstrated that a little bit in our last video, but that's something we just wanted to talk about, which is that these are designed to have zero ambiguity, zero play in them. We also always install one side at the factory for you guys. So whichever side is a tighter fit, we fit it in place, we install the roll pin, and then we ship it with the other side uninstalled. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put these in. There is a right way to do it and there's a wrong way to do it. The wrong way to do it would be to put this in and install the roll pin before it's in the lower. So just so you know that, we're gonna not do that. So we're gonna take the lower, we're going to take the safety, and we are going to seat it in. This is a 50-degree throw for a right-handed shooter, and just gonna take the support side and seat it in place. And as you can see, once again, there is an extremely, extremely tight tolerance on there. There's no play or ambiguity on it. There's no detents. You do have to install it with a roll pin, but once the roll pin's installed, you basically can forget about it. So we have a roll pin starter punch here. So I got it started, and then just gonna take a standard punch and finish the job. And as you can see, there's not much muscle required to make this happen. You don't have to whack it. You don't have to get real crazy with it. It's already installed. Perfect. We're going to take our safety detent, going to install it. And then the way I actually install my grips is I leave the spring installed and I seat it best as I can, making sure the spring goes into place. Push down on it. And then being careful, making sure these aren't cross-threading, because I have seen that happen on all sorts of different lowers. So if it's not going in smoothly for your grip screw, back it off and make sure it's seated correctly. You should eventually start feeling it pull on the grip. So there you go. That is our new winterized safety, perfectly installed. That is the fitment on it and how to actually install it on a lower. Thank you guys so much and have a good day.